Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another sizzling episode of Tooth Talk with Dr. Pranshi, where we spill chai on all things oral health. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हाइड्रेशन हैक्स की, तो पानी लेके बैठ जाओ because this one's gonna be refreshing. Dry mouth हो तो समझ जाओ कि बॉडी पानी मांग रहा है. But what are some sneaky signs of dehydration that show up in your mouth?
Yes, our mouth is like an alarm system. If you feel dehydrated, it starts throwing clues. First clue, bad breath. Yes, we all have felt that. Due to dehydration, there is less saliva and it causes stinky situation. Second, dry mouth. It feels uncomfortable and sticky. And there are other symptoms also like cracked lips, dry tongue, and even mouth sores. If you have thick saliva, that is a big hint. Saliva is not just for moisture. It also helps to kill the bacteria, protects the teeth, and helps in digestion too.
गर्मी का सीजन है, so what are some fun easy hydration hacks?
Hydration doesn't have to be boring. I'll give you some super cool hacks. Start your day with a homemade electrolyte drink, Nimbu Pani with a pinch of salt and honey. That is a super refreshing drink for your oral health. Eat your water. Yes, fruits like watermelon, cucumber, oranges. Try to hydrate as well as clean your mouth. Keep a cute water bottle with you. I know it sounds silly, but trust me, you'll drink more. Avoid super cool sodas. They give you temporary coolness, but eventually it dehydrates more. And I'll give you a pro tip. You can have a herbal iced tea without sugar that is a mouth-friendly refreshing for summer.
क्या कुछ समर हैबिट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो बिना सोचे समझे हमारी ओरल हेल्थ को नुकसान पहुंचा देते हैं, especially due to dehydration?
100% yes. Summer are fun, but some habits silently harm our mouth. Too many cool drinks and sodas are high in sugar and also acidic in nature, so they are enemy to our tooth.
बच्चे और बड़े लोगों की ओरल हेल्थ एंड डिहाइड्रेशन का ध्यान कैसे रखें? कोई स्पेशल टिप्स?
Absolutely. Children and elderly are hydration sensitive. So for children, I would like to say that we can give them flavored water with fruit slices into it, so that pani boring hai excuses goes away. We can also give them fruits like watermelon, cucumber, grapes, and we should avoid popsicles and juices. For elderly, they should be reminded to sip water regularly because उनको पानी का एहसास कम रहता है. Hydrating food should be given like soups, smoothies, fruit balls, and saliva replacing oral rinses on doctor's advice should be given because they have chronic dry mouth due to medications.
So दोस्तों, इस समर में सिर्फ सनस्क्रीन नहीं बट हाइड्रेशन भी ज़रूरी है. एंड स्पेशली अपने जो हाइड्रेटिंग हेटिंग फ्रेंड्स है, प्लीज शेयर दिस एपिसोड विद देम. If you have your own oral health jugards, do share it with us on Instagram and we'd love to share it with you on our next podcast. Until then, this is Janvi from City Dental Hospital signing off from Tooth Talk.